When I was young, 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 I was wrong, 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 wrong. Something inside of me kept on bugging me. Singing, I've got mixed emotions. La dee da dee da. Hey, hey, hey. I've got mixed emotions. I wanted to die. Hey, hey, hey. I was so wrong, I was so right, I was so young, I was so bright. Had a whole future on my side, yeah. And everybody fucking wanted to be around me, and everything was going great. But then something inside of me started to fucking feel free, and everything inside me started building apart, and it was like me singing fucking I've got mixed emotions. Yeah, I've got mixed emotions. I wanted to die. Yeah.